Hi, everyone. Tanya Hertz here. I'm going to talk to you tonight about completing the assignment for the Get Cooking project in marketing. And that assignment is located there in the, if you go to your Canvas, go to your marketing section and click on social media platforms. You'll see then instructions right here. Make sure to click on the instructions. And there's also examples of social media there. When you open up the create a social media profile, this is the activity this week. We want you to create this for your business, both a personal and a business Facebook account. You also want to make sure that you have an Instagram account. Now, we're going to leave it up to you which Instagram account you create, personal or business. You definitely need to have both Instagram account and a Facebook account, Facebook, both personal and business. We also need everybody to connect on this Get Cooking Facebook group. The link is there in the chat. And when you click, or if you have not yet created those accounts, you can do that. You need to do that first, especially the Facebook account. And then you can see this is our network that we're building together with our with the various people in this cohort, posting and communicating with one another and helping one another. And we'll first give you a little bit of instructions on the activity, and then I'll talk to you about expanding your reach and increasing your visibility and dominating Google with your search engine optimization. So you're going to want to make sure that there's detailed instructions on how to download and create an Instagram account, whether you're on a computer or on a mobile device. And then for Facebook, we want you to, if you don't have anything, you start with a personal Facebook account, and this is how you register that account. And then you have to also have that Facebook business page. Now, all of the things that you learned in your marketing, in the marketing lecture about brand and logos, about using pictures and videos, all of those are critically important when you're sharing your information about your company. You need to make sure that you have images and that you're posting regularly. It has to have a cover image. It has to have a thumbnail logo or the smaller image, little circular image there. It's critically important that you do this, right? And that you update this regularly. And when you part of the assignment is not just creating that Facebook business page, but also making sure that all of your details are up to date and current, that you've linked your website, linked your location, that you've linked your hours, you've linked your social media marketing, other social media marketing channels, and that you have that call to action button in there so that customers can actually find you. Remember, how does Google rank pages? By redirects, site redirects, by links, and by keywords. And that's what we're building out here. We also recommend that you create not just the Facebook page, but also and Instagram, but also that you use YouTube for the videos. And we discussed this in the marketing chapter, so you can go back and watch that again. This is going to it's huge, huge, huge in dominating Google. And then you create your videos in YouTube, and then you also share those created videos in TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok account, I recommend getting that. And then also LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn is critically important for the search engine optimization, helps you to connect with others, and it helps you to dominate that first page of Google, like we talked about in the lecture. So it's a lot, right? That's a lot. It's a lot to do, but remember, the more time and effort that you spend on marketing, the better the results, the more effective that it will be. And then once you have all of that created, you're going to want to start with your posting strategy. So and take advantage of the group. You're going to want to post in groups like this about once a week. Posting is appropriate. And again, the 80-20 rule, 80% of the post should be support of others. Only 20% should be blatant self-promotion. And so what you can do to post and to really become important, vital, integral in that community and be the kind of person that helps others so they then help you is by helping others, going in there. And when you see something, someone from your group has shared something, talk about it, like it, comment, share their post, promote their businesses to then promote your own. One other thing I wanted to say is, when you're posting, you can look at the assignment. Where do we go? Back to the marketing. The marketing PowerPoint. If you go to this 3-part LinkedIn project, there's detailed instructions in this one about creating that LinkedIn profile and why we do that, even though it's not the hugest platform out there. And then I really want you to look at the videos on tagging and posting, because this remains or stays true for all of the other social media marketing channels, and it helps you to get your posts in front of more people, right? So I'll use an example here on Facebook just to show you guys how to do this. But if you want more detailed instructions, go to this video here on tagging and in the LinkedIn assignment, creating that LinkedIn profile. And but let me go back over here to the Facebook page and show you. So one thing I recommend, again, in these kind of groups like this, post about once a week, support one another. Let's say I wanted to create a post here myself. Always include a picture or video, always picture, video, or website link, and the link will have a picture or video, because that helps with the search engine optimization. And then when you're posting, so let's say I wanted to say something like, I wanted to support, I'm trying to think of something good. Oh, we have an event coming up soon with home cooked. And let's say I want to post about that. Maybe I have it on the rec here. Let me see. Look on my rec channel and my Eventbrite. I think it's there. And if it is, I'll show you, I'll share this post. Those of you who just want to work on the assignment, you can go do that on your own. Let's see. Oh, I'll post this one. We'll do this one. So we have a networking event coming up on November 30th, where it's actually going to be, somebody is going to be coming from the city of, the city of San Diego. No, it's the Department of Health, and is going to be coming, and they're going to be talking about MEKHOs laws, sidewalk vendors, et cetera, et cetera. And so if I wanted to create a post about this, I would go here. I would say, get the link for this one right here. Right, see, copy that, and then I'd go in here, right? So now, like I said, everything has to have a video or an image. And when you're using a link to something like an event that's already created, it has its own image in there with all of those keywords in the alt text. So it helps you with your SEO. But what I wanted to show you was when you're making the post, how you expand the reach organically without paying for it. And you want to do this every time you post. You always want to, but let me just say, I wanted, oopsie, that's the title part. Go to your post right here. Oh no, that's it. No, that's the title. So I want to let everyone know about this upcoming event. Now, this is what I want to show you, the in-text tags. You always want to include your in-text, your tags of people, businesses, etc., in your post so that you get in front of more people. So if it was just me posting without any in-text tags, without any additional things tagged, what would happen is it would only go in front of my eyes. But I know also that I can tag Roya, I can tag Angela, I can tag all sorts of other people in that tag too, which can expand the reach. Also, I'll put it more later, but also when you are LinkedIn here, when you're posting about anything, yourself, others, it's also critically important that you include those in-text tags, those in-text hashtags. You can do that by using the @ symbol as well. So if I wanted to do here, and I can also highlight my business, right? I can highlight the San Diego Miramar College and the Rec Innovation Lab. And now instead of it just being, I'm just putting the @ and then typing, instead of it just being in front of my friends and followers, it's now in front of everyone who also follows San Diego Miramar College, everyone who follows the Rec Innovation Lab. So can just include that in the actual content of the post. Saying, would like to invite you to this upcoming event, right? Something like this. Also, when you're, the same is true for when you are commenting on others' posts and tagging others. Likes are important, but much better are comments, and even better than that are shares. And so if I am excited to try this, right? Excited to try. Now, this post now, if I were to just put this response on here, it would just go to everybody who's connected in this group and everybody that's connected with Antejitos Tinapa. But if I also include them in the actual response, I can then expand that to there, right? Now it puts it also on their page, and I can expand it even more. Let's do this. We can say this looks delicious. So glad you are part of the, now we can expand it even further here. A Renovation Lab. And we can even, let's do that even more. We can do Get Cooking too. Get Cooking. Get Cooking. Oh no, I can't do it because I'm in the, oh yeah, I can. Get Cooking. There we go. Now this comment has helped me because I'm putting something in front of lots of people's eyeballs. It's helped Antejitos Tinapa, it's helped the Renovation Lab, it's helped the Get Cooking cohort, and you can do that every time that you post, every time that you respond. So at least on your social media marketing channels, try to keep regular, consistent engagement and make sure that you're helping lift each other up by liking, commenting, and sharing, and getting their businesses in front of other people, and they'll then do the same for you. And then so much strength in numbers. I hope this was helpful for you. Oh, for the assignment, let's come back over here. Once you've created those, the business page, make sure that you have every part of it done. So particularly when we're going over to those business pages, make sure that you have the pictures in there and that you've linked to your website, or if you don't have a website yet, your social media marketing, other social media marketing channels, and then copy the URL for your own page. So let me actually show you what I would do on mine. I'll go to my page. I'll go to, so here's my personal page here on Facebook. So I can copy the URL here. And then for the assignment, I would, as a student view, go into the, oops, no, let me go back. I'm sorry, I was actually logged in as a student there. We would start the assignment, right? I would paste the URL for my personal Facebook. I would paste the URL for my business Facebook. So I go to my Facebook here. I go to, oops, I'm back. That was another one. I'd go to my personal Facebook here. I would go to my business Renovation Lab Facebook. This is the business one of the business ones I've created, right? I share the link for this one as well. Command C, and here, Command V, and then finally we need our Instagram, and so exact same thing, copy and paste the Instagram URL there. When we have all three of those, then you'll get the digital marketing badge, and then please, not a requirement, but please help lift each other up by commenting, posting, liking, sharing on all of your fellow members' pages. Please connect with us, connect with me on LinkedIn so that we can help, that helps with your search engine optimization because of those redirects. And then any of the other marketing channels that you have, send them to one another, connect with one another, share with one another, and let's help build each other up so that we're as strong as the big businesses without paying all the money that they do. All right. I hope this was helpful. I will see you guys soon. Take care.